Hello, everyone, and welcome to the RV Inspection and Care podcast and video. I'm Dwayne. I'm a certified RV inspector, and today we're going to be talking about RV repair nightmares and how you can get fast, reliable repairs on your RV instead. You know, the RV industry has a lot of things that needs to get better. A lot of things that should be improved. But one of the biggest problems, one of the most persistent issues for years, has been getting RV repairs done in a timely manner and done right. You know, RV dealers often have a service department, and that's where they want you to take your RV to get it fixed if you have a problem. But there's many RV service departments out there that have a very poor track record in this area. Now, not all of them. I'm not painting them all with a wide brush, but many have a poor track record on the work they do. So it's very common then to see owners of RVs waiting weeks or months to get their RV fixed. And then when it's fixed, it may not be fixed correctly. In addition to that, it's really frustrating for new RV buyers because very often, if they have something that comes up under warranty that needs to be repaired, guess where the dealer puts them? At the back of that service line. So they wait for weeks or months to get the RV that they paid for. Now, in all of this, it's RV builders and manufacturers that very often get the heavy blame from consumers. But in my opinion, RV dealers contribute greatly to these problems because, number one, many of them really don't pay enough to attract really good and skilled RV techs. And in addition to that, many of these dealers don't ensure quality work in their business. They don't create an atmosphere of quality, making sure that any RV that leaves that lot has been repaired in a quality manner. So, because of that, the internet is just filled with these repair nightmare stories out there. But this video is really not about negativity. This video is about good news for RV buyers and RV owners. And that is that there is a new website in town, and it's called rvhelp.com. It's been around for just a few months now. I believe it's going to really help with the frustration that a lot of people are experiencing in this area. You know, RV dealers have very little incentive to change when they are the only game in town. And in some areas of the country, they may be the only repair facility for RVs for miles. So what happens when you have low competition in an industry? Well, you usually get poor quality work. But now they have competition because there is a huge network of certified mobile RV technicians already out there. The NRVTA has been steadily training mobile RV techs for years, and there are, as we speak, hundreds of them across the U.S. These aren't guys who just go out there and claim to be an RV repair tech. These are people who have gone through the program to be certified as being skilled RV repair technicians. And the great thing about RV Help, it's the one-stop shop to show you where these certified technicians are. Usually almost anywhere in the country, you should be able to find at least one technician who's within driving distance of you. But honestly, there's so many that in some areas of the country, you may have a lot of them to choose from, and that's great. So let's talk about some of the pros or the advantages of using certified mobile RV technicians instead of RV service departments. And the first advantage we'll talk about is a reminder, really, that they are highly skilled in what they do, and they've been certified to be skilled at what they do. You know, I can testify from being around a lot of RV dealers that some of their technicians you just got to shake your head at, you know. And they may call themselves a repair tech, but it doesn't mean that they actually know what they should know. However, all of these certified RV technicians have been through the training process, and it has assured you that they know what they're doing. That's huge. Number 2, on the advantages of using these mobile repair techs over an RV service department is usually they can fit you in a timely manner in their schedule. Sometimes within a day or two, sometimes it might stretch out to a week or two, but certainly a lot quicker, a lot faster than your typical RV service department will. And that's great. The number 3 advantage, they're going to come to you. How convenient is that? You don't have to take your RV somewhere else and leave it for weeks or months and be without it. They will come right where you are. That's huge. And the 4th point and last one we'll talk about is really big. You're going to be talking with and explaining the problem with your RV to the person who's actually going to do the work. Now, at a service department, that's usually not the case. Who do you talk to? The service manager. Who knows if that manager is going to relay the information properly to the tech who's actually going to do the work on the RV. And once the work is done, who knows whether that service manager is now going to relay what you need to know about that repair and maybe give you information about how to avoid it in the future. So it's really great that you're going to be dealing with the actual person doing the work on your RV. Now, those are all advantages, in my opinion, big ones, of using these mobile certified RV technicians over RV service departments. But what about warranty work? Well, there's big good news here as well. RV Help has already been recognized and is starting to be used by some of the biggest RV builders in the industry so that they can source local mobile technicians to do warranty work. Now, that has not always been the case. For a long time, if you buy a new RV, you have to take it back to the dealer to get warranty work done. Well, manufacturers are starting to catch on to the fact that there's another way to do this that could be better. And that's great competition for RV service departments. In fact, RV Help has a pilot program going right now with one of the major builders of RVs on the planet to streamline warranty work between the manufacturer and the mobile RV tech. You know, that's been one of the issues in the industry is the techs have felt like the process to be able to get warranty work done has been slow, laborious, and getting paid was even difficult. Well, RV Help has a program in the works right now to resolve those issues. I believe that after that pilot program is done and all the kinks worked out, and when it's rolled out across this industry, I think you're going to see a lot of RV manufacturers starting to go directly to the certified RV mobile techs instead for warranty work, and that's going to be huge for RV buyers. In fact, my hope is that RV Help is going to break some of this dealer service logjam that's been going on for years. Now, I'm not just saying this because I hope this is going to work out. I've actually used the program. I have gotten great results on it already. I had a repair on my RV. I called around to all the facilities in the area. And guess what they told me? Well, we can get it in, but it's going to be several weeks. It's probably going to be months before we can get to you. So I went on RVhelp.com. I had a half a dozen certified RV techs to choose from. I got one who was very close to me, and this tech was really knowledgeable. He was dependable. He came right out on time. He got the problem resolved and did it right. So I can tell you, I have used the program and I have gotten great results. And I hope that you too will choose to use the skilled pros on RVhelp.com for your next repair. And that way you can avoid an RV repair nightmare. And that's it for now. Have safe and happy travels, my friends. Until next time.